Islam Milstead, and today I'll be taking over Cornell undergraduate admissions, Instagram, social media takeover, representing the College of Arts and Sciences, and I'll take you through a day in my life. To give a quick background about who I am, I'm a senior, majoring in chemistry, minoring in Arabic, originally from Brooklyn, New York, and I chose Cornell because of its amazing academic program. I was choosing between here and another Ivy League school, but I just felt that Cornell had the better resources, had the more opportunity for what I wanted to do, especially since I wanted to go into STEM. I thought that Cornell had the stronger academic program, and that's what put it over the edge for me. Right now, I'm walking to my first and only class of the day, which is Advanced Arabic 1, and I'm strolling right now past the art squad, and I'll give you a quick look at what it looks like. The art squad is absolutely a staple of Cornell's campus. So many people hang out here, especially when it gets warm during the semester. But right now you can see it's getting a little bit cold and chilly out here, but still looks beautiful as ever. And hopefully you're gonna enjoy my Arabic class. Please send me any and all questions you may have, whether it's about arts and sciences, Cornell itself, what life is like living on campus, and I'll try my best to answer all those questions throughout the day. So right now I'm in Arabic class. Here's one of my friends. Why don't you introduce yourself and tell us your favorite part about arts and sciences?
Hi, my name is Geneva. I'm a junior. I'm a double major in government and comparative literature with an Arabic minor. I'm from Tucson, Arizona, and my favorite part of arts and sciences is the diversity of academic experiences that we have available to us.
A break from studying to talk a little bit about arts and sciences is the largest of the 7 colleges at Cornell, offering over 40 majors and even more minors. It has a very unique curriculum in which you focus on liberal studies, and that means that outside of your direct major, there are no core classes you have to take aside from first-year writing seminars, but there are little buckets or categories of areas of interest that we think would give you a very much well-rounded education, but you have freedom of choice, freedom of reign to do whatever you want within those different buckets, and there are so many options available for you to choose. Like I mentioned before, I'm minoring in Arabic as well as majoring in chemistry. The Arabic portion didn't really come until I started exploring once I came to Cornell. Chemistry I was pretty much set on upon entering, but the Arabic part is something that my family speaks at home, but I really didn't have much experience with, and once I was able to explore that at Cornell, I decided to pursue that even further and get the minor. I want to quickly touch upon some of the resources that are available to you as an arts and sciences student. So right as a first-year student, when you step on campus, you have 3 academic advisors, the first of which is a peer advisor, which I am myself. That is another undergraduate student, usually a junior or a senior, who has navigated their way through Cornell academically and can provide some sort of expertise. The second is a faculty advisor, which is a faculty member at Cornell, usually has mentored students in the past, and is more often very knowledgeable about their intended field and then their specific department, but also know other faculty members in other departments as well. And the last is an advising dean, which is part of the Arts and Sciences Advising Office located in Claremont Hall. They're a great resource. The deans are a great resource for first-year students, especially as they are starting to navigate their way through Cornell. There are advising deans for first and second-year students, as well as separate advising deans for third and fourth-year students. They have a wealth of knowledge about the academic system at Cornell, what the distribution requirements are, what the requirements you need to fulfill in order to graduate, and how to best navigate your way through Cornell academically. Now I'm headed off campus to KOCO Medical Center, where I volunteer every Monday from 3 to 6 p.m. as part of PCAT, which stands for Patient Care Advocacy Team, which is an initiative between Cornell, Ithaca College, and KOCO Medical Center to get undergraduate students in a clinical setting, gain clinical experience, as well as reach out to the Ithaca community. This is one of the many things I try to do to stay busy outside of academics. I'm also a resident advisor in a first-year residence hall. I'm an arts and sciences student ambassador, and I'm also heavily involved in the Arab Student Association, as well as the Muslim Educational and Cultural Association. If you have any questions about clubs or student life here, please feel free to shoot them my way. So I'm headed back to campus now after volunteering for a little bit. And before I do that, I just wanted to take some time out and answer a couple of questions. So the first one is, why did I choose College of Arts and Sciences? I think for me, the biggest thing was it had the major I wanted, which was chemistry and chemical biology. That wasn't really offered in any other school, and so that was the main reason for me applying to arts and sciences. Another person asked, what is computer science like at Cornell? It is very rigorous. There is computer science both in the College of Arts and Sciences and in the College of Engineering. The two majors within the two colleges are exactly the same requirements, same professors, same coursework. The only thing that differs between the two is everything else around it. So your different distribution requirements in arts and sciences versus some of the liberal studies requirements in engineering, those are what's going to differ, but the computer science major itself is exactly the same between the two colleges. Another person asked what the chemistry department was actually like. I will say that over the course of my time here, I've met absolutely brilliant professors. These are some of the most top-notch faculty in the field, in the world here at Cornell, doing amazing cutting-edge research. And going into research, I actually have been doing research since the summer after my freshman year. I first started in a cell signaling lab and currently now in a cancer biology lab. It is super, super easy to get involved in research at Cornell. For me, my story is pretty unique. I just had a professor who mentioned at the end of the semester that she had graduating seniors and was looking for people to join her lab. Went to her office the same day, knocked on her door, said I was interested, and there we go. I joined her lab in a couple weeks' time, staying over the summer, and that really gave me that first experience I needed to get even more summer experience back in New York City, where I did research during the summer of my sophomore year, and now helped me transition into the lab that I'm currently in. So research is actually super easy to get into at Cornell. Professors are very willing to take on undergrads. I myself was able to be published on even 2 publications, which is very rare for a lot of undergraduate institutions. So faculty here really value undergrads, really value the work that they put in, and really want you to be a part of their group. I hope that answers a couple questions, and I'll see you in a bit. I'm finally back in my room after a really long day out today. Thank you so much for following me around today and for all your engagement. I hope you enjoyed following a arts and sciences student at Cornell. Stay tuned and follow the story tomorrow for an engineering representative at Cornell. Thank you.